Hello! Today we are going to test a flagship model of a budget series of power supply Seasonic S12II Bronze. The entire line-up of series Seasonic S12II Bronze refers to the budget class of devices. Even in this case, the representatives of the line-up meet the standard 80+ Bronze. Since the series Seasonic S12II Bronze is primarily designed for ordinary users and owners of configuration with one video card, the power of its flagship model, namely Seasonic S12II-620 Bronze, is limited to 620 watts, and this model will be described in this review. Power supply is shipped in colorful box with predominance of black and blue colors. Delivery set of the model contains all the necessary components you may need during the operation of the device. For example, power cord, installation screws, holders and reusable straps, sticker with the company logo and manual. Despite the fact that the device belongs to the inexpensive power supplies, we didn't find any saving on the materials. The case is made of thick steel and coated with an additional layer of a black paint. The build quality is at the highest level. The cables are let out directly from the body, that reduces the final cost of the model. The absence of modular connectors has reduced the length of the device from 160 to 140 mm, so it will be suitable for all modern cases. The main power sockets are collapsible 20+4 pin ATX and 4+4 pin ATX 12V. The user has two 6+2 pin PCI connectors to connect the video card, so you don't need to use adapter to install energy-consuming graphics cards. Rated capacity of power supply is 620 watts. The rail 12V is designed for large load of 576 watts and is presented in the form of two 24A lines. Model conforms to standard 80+ Bronze and supports a wide input voltage range from 100 to 240 volts, which excludes the use of external voltage regulators in case of unstable electrical network. Power supply Seasonic S12II-620 Bronze is built on own platform Seasonic GB. EMI filter is installed in the input. It is responsible for smoothing high-frequency noise emitted by power supply into network. Also, it bears the function of lining protection. There is 10A diode assembly used to rectify input voltage. It is equipped with aluminum radiator. By the way, the cooling system of other power elements is also at the highest level. The capacitor of high voltage circuit is produced by famous company Rubicon Japan and belongs to high temperature series. By the way, all other nodes including the standby power source use capacitor with Japanese origin. According to the specification, Seasonic S12II-620 Bronze features the following protections. The quality of the soldering and assembly of components is at a very high level. In this term, the Seasonic electronics products are reference, even if we are talking about the inexpensive models. It is quite interesting that such moderate power supply uses a high-quality fan based on hydrodynamic bearing. Power supply is quite up to the level of 200 watts. Within 200–300 watts, noise level is slightly increased, but remains quite low. More or less distinguishable sound appears only after the power consumption exceeds 300 watts. The heater doesn't provide any additional noise in the form of annoying squeak or the hum. The cooling system is not only relatively quiet, but also quite effective. Even after continuous operation under the full load, you won't face with any problem. We increased the load on the test model up to the 550 watts, which is equivalent to the increase of +5% of the rated capacity. After reaching the value of 660 watts, the overload protection was activated. Unit of voltage stabilization coped with its task. Voltage deviation didn't exceed any allowable rate. We were pleased with the subsystem of ripple filtering. In all cases, the noise value was far from acceptable standards and was in the range from 0 to 25 microvolts. The test has confirmed the correspondence of the model with the standard 80 plus bronze for the voltage of 230 volts. To build a real computer system, we used powerful hexa-core processor Intel Core i7-4960X overclocked to 4 and 4 GHz. Also, we applied video card Zotac GeForce GTX 480 AMP. The power supply provided good performance in gaming configuration with a vicious video card. None of the lines, even under maximum load, had voltage drop below its nominal value. So we can conclude that in case of proper engineering approaches, the group voltage regulation can provide good results in actual use of power supply. Model Seasonic S12II-620 Bronze provided a high performance level during testing, and in many respects left behind solutions that also claimed the title of moderate power supply. The main reason is that the manufacturer didn't use the method of total saving. On the contrary, we were pleasantly surprised that it contains design solutions that are typical for more expensive devices. For example, hardware. There are Japanese capacitors. Power components in the high voltage circuit are selected from energy efficient series and have large reserve of durability. Fan is based on hydrodynamic bearing. And here you can find all the types of protections. Perhaps this power supply is not the cheapest on the background of its competitors, but after buying it you won't regret about the quality and the performance. Detailed review and description of features and components of power supply are available on IT portal gesit.com by clicking link in the video description. Good luck and don't forget to subscribe to our portal.